Welcome back, family. If you don't like Irish potatoes, I never did, but I've found different ways to making it work for me and for the kids. This is the normal traditional Irish potatoes that many of us did not like growing up, but there are many ways I make it now that in fact you ask for a second plate. So this is the Irish potatoes that are raw. I'm just cutting it with a crinkle cutter. This is optional. You can boil it the way you normally boil it. I'm just cutting it to be extra so that my kids can eat it and it will be fun for them because of the way the shape is. So you're going to boil your potatoes the normal way you boil it. You boil with some salt and with some water, and we're going to be boiling it till it's fully cooked. I have some butter and some garlic paste. Can you see the garlic paste? And what I did was to make sure my potatoes were fully cooked. I melted the butter and the garlic paste and I poured it all over my Irish potatoes. This would just like raise the taste to like 100% even more. And we are going to be adding some dried parsley herbs. Feel free to add any other herbs of your choice, but parsley does it well for me. And I just tossed it together so you could get to all the corners of all my potatoes that I cooked. And now we're going to be frying some eggs to go with our potatoes. I'm sure this is regular, but let me just show you how I will fry my eggs. I've added some cooking oil, some onions. I'm adding some chopped tomatoes now as well because I love tomatoes in my eggs. Whatever you love, add to it. Whatever you don't like, feel free to take it away. So this is going to take a little bit of time for about 1 to 2 minutes. We are just going to wait for our tomatoes to be dehydrated, for all that water to get separated and dry up. You can see the water. I don't like it when it's there, but I'm adding my seasoning at this point. I'm going to allow it fry for some time, and yes, this is what I was looking for. It's well hydrated now, dehydrated, sorry, and I've added some sausages. Feel free to add any protein of your choice. I'm adding my beaten eggs, and at this point it's just fry. I'll wait for it to like fry properly. I allowed it set at some point, but I'm like scrambling it up all together because basically it's all scrambled eggs. I don't want it to be like an omelette at all. So I didn't really wait for it to set. I just like waited for it to set for like 1 to 2 seconds or less than 10 seconds, and the remaining is just for me to scramble it as much as I can. So like I said, feel free to add any other protein of your choice. You can add some chicken breast, anything you absolutely love. And our eggs are ready, and see our yummy potatoes as well. Guys, the taste is amazing. You will love it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please let me know if you would try it, and I'd love to see you come back for many more recipes like this. Stay healthy, stay beautiful, stay blessed. I'll see you in subsequent ones. Bye.